I'm gonna roll this over. We're gonna look at the next cat. Oh, I gotta go back to Catbot. So let me see. Play. Computer. Okay, the next cat is called Mr. Grumpers. Wait, the last one was Angry Cat, and this one's Mr. Grumpers. Mr. Grumpers is tired of foolish humans not letting him play with chess pieces and scratch their chessboards. Now he's looking for revenge, food, and the occasional head scratch, but only when he's in the mood. Okay, Mr. Grumpers, rated 1200. Guys, you guys know I don't like playing computers. It makes me very nervous. Here we go. Mr. Grumpers. Let's go. I'd rather be playing with the box where the chess pieces came in, but I guess we can play chess too. Okay, it wants to play with the box. This is Mr. Grumpers. Rated 1200, guys. We're not sacking pawns against the 1200. I don't care if it's really probably only rated 400. So e4, e5. Okay, they've sucked so far. Marcus says, oh, gotcha. About to be on new game +4 with 150 hours and still finding new stuff. Game absolutely huge. Yeah, Marcus, 1000%. Yeah, what I did was, like, for like my first 6 playthroughs, or maybe 4 playthroughs, I did a new character every time. I just went back to level 1 and started like the first one was an astrologer, second one was a Rivers of Blood a samurai, right? Huh. And I have, I think I have 800 hours. I think I have darn near 800 hours. And it's a great game, man. I'm like most of the way through my 12th playthrough. I don't have I didn't finish it. It's the Bubble Boy playthrough where you blow the horn and the bubbles come out. That one? Yeah. Okay. You can't check. Typical cat behavior, says Dave Joyce. Yeah, I'm getting back to work. Thanks for everything. Santos Jacob, thanks for coming and saying hello, man. Bill Stevens says, who taught these cats to speak English? That's what I want to know. It's hard to teach cats anything. You're not kidding. The cat hasn't said anything yet. He's just mean mugging me, guys. He's not giving me any look at all. I have about 9 hours on Elden Ring. It's a great game. Marcus said, oh, dang, man, that's insane. Such a good game, though. Trying to go for all the endings is such a pain. It is, but that's what makes it fun, man. Right? I have no idea if I'm doing this right. That might not be the correct maneuver. We'll just take this with check. Now I'm in trouble. I don't know. I think I'm getting him in trouble. Sneaking on a grumpy cat is never a smart decision, says the grumpy cat. Okay. Now, checkmate, right? And you're telling me that thing is rated 1200? That thing is rated 400. All right, now we're ready for the Catspurov cat, folks. I get lucky and can beat 15 or 1600 bot once in a while. Yeah, Catspurov. Isn't that funny, Dave Joyce? Catspurov. He says, meow there, let me... Oh, yeah, I'll take one more sip of coffee before I start playing. Okay, well, I got my coffee, too. Now, with the name like Catspurov, if you guys aren't familiar with Gary Kasparov, he was... Before Magnus came along, they'd say he was the greatest chess champion that probably ever lived. Even better, they would argue better than Bobby Fischer. Some people are romantically involved with Bobby Fischer, and they just can't admit that Kasparov was better, but I think Kasparov was better. Because Kasparov actually defended his title. Right? Better champion anyway. You know what I mean? And then Magnus is just like so dominating. It's just darn near impossible to say anything bad about him. I'm doing this. Can I castle? And if he takes push? That's probably stupid. This is probably a move, but I have a feeling the bishop's coming back this way. Right, guys? So we have to defend. So just defend. Right. Now we're going to come back and push, guys. Let's go ahead and castle. Because I want the rook here to help promote. Okay. I think a lot of times the bishop comes back and promotes that, right? I don't think Queen C2 is a move. Oh wait, if I do that though, he might play this crazy move. Wilma. You guys are like, you really doing that with your bishop, Charlie? Moving it 4 times just to play a d4. And the answer, actually, believe it or not, is I think I am, yeah. But this stops this. And this is a move I want to play. There's that, great. Let's come back. Right. Kasparov, love the name. Okay. I never played e4. It's really scary for me. Oh, don't be afraid. Now do we... Might play this. Wilma, get me out of here, Wilma. Oh, maybe it's this first. It's just a stinking bot, though. Now, I don't want to come here. I wanted to come here, but I can't because of this. See, so that's why this wasn't a good move. I wanted bishop c2 first. Huh. Okay, bad, guys. I did it wrong. I did it all wrong. You know what? I'm going to come back. A4, D3 pawn is a little weird for development purposes, unfortunately. A4. Okay, what do you do? What do you do? He brings the queen over, unpinning. Do we take it, guys? Do we take it because we can mess his pawns up in front of his king? I think it's okay. I think because of this move. You know what I'm saying? And it's like... Although... Oh, wait. There might be something hanging here, guys. There might be something hanging, right? You guys see it? Oh, no, he could take this way. Oh, so it never was hanging. I thought I was going to take here, and queen was going to take. So that was just like... I'm complaining about this poor thing being rated so bad. Do we head for the F5 square? Do we try and set the battery up? I think F5 is probably a good square, guys. I want to get these other pieces out. Problem is that where does this knight go? You know what I mean? It can't really end up here because it's going to block the hopper. So it's really bad. The development is really bad, guys. I'm going to try and come in here. Right. Now. Well, come here. Good day, Charlie Rhodes. How you doing, man? See, and this is the thing where like this whole idea of playing c3 and d4. I've seen the idea, but what do you do? Brings the rook, huh? I think we come here because we want to bring the other rook to El Centro. Yeah. He didn't want to push. Good. This feels good now because of this. Right? He brings a rookster. This is pinned, so we can take this. Right? And more importantly, put our knight on a square. Oh, and now we can fork this situation. I think the knight gets out. The bishop can take, but I think the knight gets away. Would check. You see what I'm saying? Now, I think we take the rook, and then if he takes this way, we take this way. Okay, he does that. Good, good, good. Now, how do we? I guess maybe just start kind of like doubling up, guys. Then he's gonna move the queen though. You guys understand the idea, but Claude Dodson says, "Hey chillers, happy new year. I beat all the catbots today except Mittens. I have played Mittens only 3 times, and the best I have been able to manage so far is a draw. Good. It's rumored that Mittens has 100% accuracy, so maybe a draw is the best. That's pretty good. One I can't really hope to get. No clocks. No, there's no clocks, man. I'm playing a cat that doesn't talk. This is Catspurov. Brad Marsh says, man, I had to miss some of the hot drops earlier, but I got sent home early from work, so I get to catch chess stream. Cool. Hey, I'll tell you, man, there was one. I'm trying to remember where we dropped. I dropped short. It was the airport drop where I dropped short. Okay? That was the best, most aggressive, most kills that we've had so far. And that's the goal of the hot drops. I kind of want to do this, but it's not going to do anything. Ooh. This almost looks like an idea, guys. Yes. This is Grandmaster move, guys. You guys got to remember that Grandmaster moves happen with stuff like this. Because now this knight will rework its way to this square. See what I'm saying, guys? I don't know if it's smart, but it's what I'm doing. He'll be on this square. So if he can play f6 though. Oh no, f6. I mean c6, so drops a knight. Good. Come here. Now we're hitting this. King comes to protect. This bishop's doing nothing. It's like the worst bishop ever created. There are ideas of maybe rook lifts, guys. Checkers. Okay. Now we can hit the pawn. We can hit them both and make them come back. That bad? Now we can come here. Oh, there are ideas I missed, guys. I missed push. Rook takes and shove. Opening up this. I didn't see that. I can't believe it, Claude. I've beaten 2300 bot before, but it is crazy hard. There is no comparison between player level and bot moves in so many of the bots. Brad Mars says, I'll have to go back and check it out. I usually go back and watch the streams I miss in my spare time. Brad Mars, thank you, man. Thank you so much. Jeff Conley says, I don't know if I can get used to the robe Mondays. We need Man Monday back. We just got here, Jeff. You're panicking way too early, Jeff. You take away all our good stuff. First the squirrel stickers and now Man Bun. Oh, poor Jeff. I'm sorry, my friend. Claude Dodson says that Dave Joyce, I didn't have any problems with the holiday bots until I got to the last one. Right. She was tough but not unbeatable. Wow, I think how they design code these things, they're built in blunders. Right. Yeah, I think it's really difficult to make a computer play at a certain level because these things aren't playing at level 1200. This one might be playing at 1400. Okay, I can't do that yet. Takes. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and make the lift, guys. He can kick. That's probably not a bad move. Developing a piece. Now, we chase him off, so now we can take here, right? Oh, we don't have that move. That would have been a move, guys. If I could play Rook takes now, because I'd have that discovery. But we can take this with check. Oh, this is crushing. Yep, he had to. It's getting mated, folks. Bishop takes pawn. Oh, okay, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. That'd be freaking hilarious if it trapped my queen. He didn't, but that'd be hilarious if it did. Wait, where am I? Right here. Come back. Just come back. Okay, this is all protected. Am I playing for this? I think I am. Because we're up in exchange and more. Oh, there's a queen. Yeah, there's that queen, guys. Like, this could be a pretty nasty little move. I think I'm going to play this move. Oh, well, you know what? It's probably not a bad thing, guys. Because, wow. Well, maybe it is a pretty bad thing because his rook's going to come. I blew it, man. I think I just lost, guys. I think I can defend like this, though. See what I'm saying? Where's that knight? How's that knight going to get there, man? How's that knight going to get there? The rook comes over, man. It's not a hard move to see. Check the queen. Mike Barber. I'm not sure. Yeah, I looked at that idea, man. I looked at that idea of opening up this bishop. Although, this bishop is like I say, there's no good way to activate it. Oh yeah, it's like this and this. Right? I just played it without thinking, folks. Right? Right. Okay, so as long as I don't drop my queen, we win. Anthony Zigaroli, check takes bishop. Did I have a check takes bishop I didn't see? Okay, so this one is hitting. That's kind of a cool move. It kind of says, hey, buddy, watch out. This is kind of a cool move, too. Just attack squares, folks. Running mate. You saw it. Wait, where is it? I'm still waiting for the check to pick up the bishop, but I don't see it yet. Okay. All these checks are looking good, folks. Here. Oh, I dropped it. Guys, I dropped my bishop. We still got it. We still got it. Yeah, I could just pin and win. I watched Anna Kramling, 2072, play a 13-year-old boy named Antoni, 1964, in the 6th round of the Swedish tournament, and he fought her to a draw. He just had her number. Both of them played 97.4. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Here, we'll try this again. We'll try shoving, guys. I dropped the bishop. I was up so much material, though, it doesn't matter. We can do this. And then we can do this. Take this. Is a stalemate? It's not. You just got to look for one square, folks. And the square I'm looking at is this square. That might have been his only square. King here. This is stalemate, right? Yeah. So, let's just go ahead and check this way. He has a square. And he has a square. He has a square. But if he comes here, queen, he comes back. Right? He does. Fancy, I'm still doing okay, I think. At least I have my coffee. Oh, the cute little kitty. Okay, Mr. Grumpy, that's all he said. I know I can do better than this. Let's play again. All these cats want to play again, folks.